has condemned comments from members of the executive and the legislature mulling for disobedience of court orders. JSC Chairperson Koome, in a press conference on Monday afternoon, said the continuous attack on the judiciary and planned disobedience of court orders is an assault on the Constitution.
The executive and the government, and we are also part of that government, so we need to know them so that we deal with them. The next question is whether we are intimidated by the barrage of attacks. I think I stated that in my first statement when it happened. I said when judges are attacked publicly and they are hearing a matter, live matters, they feel intimidated. They feel harassed. They feel like they are being ordered to rule in a certain way. Actually, they get embarrassed. Because if you rule this way, they will say it's because you are told off. If you rule the other way, it's like, look, we told you. You see? So this is why we have a principle in law that is called sub judice. When the matter is pending in court, in as much as possible, let us not discuss it in public domain, because the judges are not in that public domain. It is meant to influence them, and it is wrong. That's a principle in the common law of sub judice, to observe sub judice. So I would urge our politicians to stop discussing live matters in public, to allow the judiciary, to allow the judges and judicial officers to engage with the matters objectively and deal with those matters according to the evidence and according to the law. And if somebody is dissatisfied, to follow the appeal mechanism, because this is how we structured the Constitution. And it was a painful process of arriving at, let us have an orderly way of dealing with complaints. The last question from the KTN was whether the president has filed any complaints. Not any that we are aware. Even today we were dealing with the complaints that we have shared with you. Unless it has come when we were in the process, we haven't received any, but we are ready to receive. I think somebody said on the news yesterday, one will be filed on Thursday. We are ready to receive it, even if it comes earlier than Thursday, because that's what we do.
Of course, we'll be waiting to see whether President William Ruto